Okie dokie, what's up guys? Are you all ready? Are you ready for this? Sorry, I will pretend to act like normal, but we all know that's just oh so boring. Okay, I had a little loss earlier. Let's go back onto the funded. Let's see how we looks today. Interesting. Okay, we have a bunch of different levels set out for today, and I'm curious to see how they react. Soldier boy, what's up, bud? How have you been? How's it been going? Oh, good grief. Are you ready for... Oh, excuse all the hiccups. Are you ready for New York? I wonder if New York's gonna give us some bangers or not.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
What's up, David? Good morning, midnight? Isn't it like midnight for you?
That's what she said.
Nice. Nice. Okay, let me mark out some levels. Let's first of all close everything there. And I've just like closed everything, and now I'm gonna cause some chaos, which is gonna be fun. Okay, London high. London low has been taken. I'm gonna mark out this liquidity there. Good actual grief. Speaking about chaos. This is low-key what this chart looks like today, but I am testing some things. Come through. Oh, Soldier Boy, do you want to speak about the Enlightenment? What were you enlightened about? What's up, Atlanta? FOMC, my view. Potentially all-time highs. I think potentially FOMC might bring some all-time highs, but there's only one way to tell. We're gonna have to wait and see, right? Market man, good morning. How's it going? How have the markets been treating you? Let's check out the 5-minute quickly. Yeah, London really didn't move great. No, it wasn't great. I was gonna say, I guess it could have been worse, but call it what it is. It's just not great. Put everything up and get into my mode, should I? That should never mind. Some stability surrounding me. Did well in global last evening. That's good then. Well done, market man. I got all my liquidity zones marked out that I'm keen on, so that's then fine. Let's see if it takes this liquidity here. Looks like it did retest slightly. Now let's see if we go on higher. So I called that wrong today. I thought we were going to go a little bit higher and then potentially get a drop down during New York. Clearly, I called that wrong. It was never the markets, it was me and the urge to push that button that kept me unprofitable. Okay, so what have you changed, Soldier Boy? What have you done differently? Have you changed anything? Are you doing anything different? What's the plan? Or what did you do to change things? Are you profitable now? Are you still... Yeah, walk me through the process. Walk me through the process, because I'm quite keen to know. Because I sometimes get that. I feel like I need to get a trade in. I have to get one in. Even if the conditions aren't amazing, I have to get a trade. And that, I think, is also not great. That's the wrong mentality. You're saying Soldier Boy and you... But I'm just saying Soldier Boy. Soldier. How else do you say Soldier? Check 1 hour. Okay, close that fair value gap. Let's see if it's gonna close and react off of this fair value gap. 527. 4 hour. I guess we're kind of doing a whoopsie daisies. Bottom to top analysis today. Normally we do a top to bottom. I mean, looking at the 4 hour, it's not great, is it? It's just been going sideways. Okay. And daily. Okay, nothing over there on the daily. You know what's ridiculous? I did sell there at that point. Then it went up and it did eventually go back down, but at just the wrong moment. Timing is everything. Timing is everything. Okay, so we did now fill that volume imbalance on the daily. We're going to continue down to this volume imbalance at 100. Market execution to limit order. Oh, okay, so you don't market in anymore. You only allow yourself to place limits. That's not a bad thing though. That's me. I always do limits. I always do limits. If I want to market into something, I go onto paper and market in because I know me in marketing and we are not friends. We are, yeah, we're not good friends. Me and marketing and our problems. We are just problems. Hey, Jimbo, what's up? What's up, Jimbo's mom? Welcome to the chaos. 923. Awesome sauce. Let's get this going. Sorry, I have such an itchy nose today. OTT, what the? How are you doing? Have fun, guys. I'll check in later. Technique. Cheers, Atlanta. Have fun. Good luck on the chitty charts. OTT, how you doing? Did you get any trades in earlier? Yes, no, maybe? Okay, we have a few minutes to go. Let's see. There's nothing really there. There I wouldn't have had a tag in. There I wouldn't have had a tag in. This potentially could have been a winning trade. This was an A+ setup over here. Oh, that would have been a winning trade. That's all we got. This is not looking ideal for me. I can see that one didn't retrace 50%. So that also looks like an A+ setup. Same there, same there. Okie dokie then. Let's see what New York brings for us today. 6 minutes to go. Currently an ETH long, might be cooked. You are enemy of my enemy. Market execution? Such a jerk. Yeah. Hi, so now my son has 3 payouts in a week and I want to start getting my own. Can you show me basic skills? I am on Take Profit Trader. Hi. Have you done any backtesting at all? Did you? Yeah. What do you know? Maybe let's ask that. What's up, Debbie? How you doing? Sorry, I know I went real quiet there for a second. Ooh, okay. That was a bit of a spike 5 minutes before open. Let's see what we get. What's up, Jace? Welcome. How you doing? I'm good. How are you? Oh, Deb, you know what? I can't complain. Cannot complain. Might get tagged on Bitcoin soon. Awesome. Big 4 hands off. Let limit to the job. Prefix 5%. 5% risk. That seems like a lot. Souljoy, isn't 5% a lot? I feel like 5% is a lot. I won't be trading AM session. Why? What? Why? What? OTT? Also, don't take this the wrong way. You know I love you. But I don't believe you. I don't believe you for a second. Since we started testing yesterday, then I know how to find supply and resistance areas. Okay. So are you going to be paper trading today, or are you going to actually go on your eval? Old boy, personal account. Okay, but even for personal account, isn't that a lot? Sorry, genuinely curious question. I'm not like questioning you or asking what the heck you're doing. I'm genuine question. Sorry, Soldier Boy. I hope you don't think I'm being like rude or something. But it gets annoying on me inside. I can't YouTuber. I don't have a bias. We're in a 4-hour gap and your weekly opening gap scary, and it's Wednesday. And FOMC trying to keep my 23-day win streak alive. 23 days? Damn. $80. Okay, I guess that's not bad. Two minutes to go. Literally 2 minutes to go, guys. Are we ready, people? Yes, I said people. Like a normal human being. That's what people do, right? Aggressive on personal, professional, and prop. Shouldn't it be the other way around? No? Shouldn't it be the other way around? I'm conflicted. I thought it was the other way around. Oh, come on, FOMC. Let's not do us dirty today. Hallelujah, Linda. Okay, there we go. Last minute. What's up, Ted? How you doing? How's the trading been treating you? Gonna watch this minute. Well, I guess 35 seconds left. Let's see what we get. Four seconds. Take that risk, then regret. I guess it's one way to learn a lesson, right? 10 seconds. Yo, OTT, that's some crazy stuff right there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go.
Holy moly. Okay. That was a big rejection off of there. Here, let's see if it's gonna mess around in these areas or not. Okay, this is the 9:30 opening candle. This could be it. Hey Ash, what's up? How you doing? Welcome, welcome. Just use my name on losing 68 when hearing how you actually hit a trading month, which is 20 days. Ash, how was the rest of your day? For 3, 2, 1. I'm not even gonna mark that box. I know that's the 9:30 a.m. box, so that's fine. Ah, be kind. What? Be kind, FOMC. Potential little bit of rejection off of that wick. So I'm watching a few different things today for a little bit of a change, if you will. Seeing if I can try and increase my accuracy. I think that's the key word. I'm trying to increase my accuracy with regards to entries. Not so much point of interest, but rather entries and bias. And those are the two most important things, I think. Ash discovered the vertical finally. Good, you took some losses, but feeling good. Oh, that's, you know what, all part of trading, hey? Vertical's about to get flooded. Oh, your stream is stopping a lot. Maybe we'll be back tomorrow. Okay, bye. Is it stopping a lot, guys? Is my Wi-Fi freaking out? Please say no. It looks like it's actually been good today. Is my Wi-Fi freaking out or is it fine? FOMC treating me like queen. Weird. Oh, soldier boy. I know, when it works with you, not against you, you're like, what's happening? Get a little suspicious. I'm slowly doing packing throughout this week because it's my second last week here, which is such a wild thought. Next week is my last week here. Doesn't feel real. Accuracy, no. Consistency. If you're accurate, but accuracy and consistency, don't they kind of go hand in hand? If you're accurate and you get accurate entries with accurate bias, it means you're going to get more wins more consistently. Yes? I feel like that they go hand in hand, do they not? What's up, Sean? How you doing? Is it just me who has zero emotions on personal accounts compared to props? I feel like yes, that is because what? What do you mean? Okay, still watching here. Let's see what we get. Sean, only okay? Interesting. Why only okay? Sorry, I feel like I'm I don't know, sitting here questioning everyone's life. Are you okay? Got my bag, done for the day. Hey, Market Man, that's amazing! Oh, shit, I can understand why there's no drawdown limits. Yeah, since continuing, that's stupid rules to find. Only normal rules, you said yourself. Tell me why I didn't traded crypto for like 4 days and on the 5th. I lost my dog of 14 years a week ago. I'm so sorry. That's enough to make me really want to cry because oh my gosh, if that had to happen with Perry. So I've actually only had Perry. He's turning 4 now. He's turning 4. Anyway, he's turning 4 now, which means I've had him for nearly 4 years. He was like 3 or 4 months when we got him. And I just keep thinking, oh my gosh. When that day comes, I'm gonna pretend it's never gonna come. but you know, it will eventually. I don't know what I'm gonna do with myself. So I'm very, very sorry, Sean. Here we go. Question mark? Bit of a rejection off of VWAP. Still gonna keep note of all the shenanigans. It's the 5-minute range. How big is this 5-minute range? 110 points, just shy of 110 points. Oh, gotta take some time for me to get used to that. Yeah. Sorry, Ash. Maybe we're gonna have to start. We'd have to start calling OTT AA. I'm kidding, I won't do that to you. I won't do that to you, OTT. Call me Ash squared. A squared. Sorry. Okay. Mr. G-Hope, hi. Trade for all who can't. I love it. Break even on Bitcoin. I'm actually nasty wick entry. Okay, damn. Let's see what happens. Oh, Sean's so agonizingly slowly. It feels like I'm at that irritating point. I had it with the eval. I'm back at it right now, where it's like 2 steps forward. I want to say it's 2 steps forward, 1 step back, but it feels like it's 2 steps forward, 2 steps back, 2 steps forward, 2 steps back, 2 steps forward, 2 steps back. So I feel a little bit stuck right now, which is very frustrating. So I am looking and seeing where I can try and just push past it. So I'm trying to increase accuracy here and there. So you'll see I do quite a bit of paper trading to see if I can try and get sharper, better. So I'm trying out some new ideas here and there. You know, the more you practice, the more you learn. Let's pop to Bob. Let's see what it does here. Oh no, I'm unfunded, Sean. So I am unfunded. It's just... it's irritating. It feels like this funded's a little stuck right now, but it is what it is. Yeah, Jimbo, I haven't had a payout. Marketman, 363. You think it's going down to 363? Is that what you're saying? Why 363? What's there? Oh, thank you, Mr. G Hope. Appreciate you. So, Marketman, what do you see there? If you don't mind me asking, like what are you seeing that I'm not? So this is not an A+ setup, but I kind of want to take it, so I'll take it on the paper. I'm trying to trust non-A+ setups. But I don't really. Okay. I see we're gonna be slow. Solid doji. Going back up. This might be a bob to bob. Let's see how this reacts here. Might actually be more keen on a bob to bob. We have yet to have a first presented fair value gap. Well, I don't even know if that counts as a fair value gap. The 933 candle. Is that a fair value gap? Wait, no, I lied. This is a... right in front of my face is the first presented. Right here. Oh, I forgot to move things around. This is on the paper, BT dubs. Yes, I just said BT dubs. Going straight back up. This is why I took it on the paper, because I have very little hope for this one. Well, hope. We shouldn't be going off of hopes and dreams while trading here. Jace, I looked away for a few minutes and hit TP by a point. I mean, well done. Oh, thanks, Debbie. I appreciate you. I want extension over NQ down to 3439 from recent pullback. Yep. Interested you must all. So a bob to bob level here would actually be quite nice. I was thinking bob to bob. And then I thought, no. Let's test this out first. Okay, hands off for a second. Let me not do dumb stuff. Very nice inverted fair value gaps there. Surprised this hasn't. If this comes back down into this, it could potentially be quite nice. Except for where VWAP is. Like I said, I'm watching to see where things react, where, how, and why. Going all the way back up. Expect this to potentially go a little bit lower, which it didn't do. Aw, cheers, Jimbo. Enjoy. And that one. Okay. Tapped into VWAP there. See if we go back down here or not. Off we go apparently. What's up, Tom? Wonder seeing Trump is talking. That's why I probably my market playing. What's up, Wanda? How you doing? I was actually speaking about you today, Wanda. Well, I mentioned you. Okay. Watching how I react here again. You comment, yeah. How about you? Oh, Tom, you know what? A little frustrated, I'm not gonna lie, but all part of the journey, right? How's trading been for you, Tom? Still watching this now. Okay. Took out the highs on ES as well. Potential short retracement is in the cards. Like I said, sorry, I'm looking at some different things today. Hey, what's up, Hammer? What you doing here? Did you get any trades this morning? Good, I'm actually becoming profitable. Oh, Tom, that is amazing. Well done. What, if you don't mind me asking, what changed? What happened that now you're becoming profitable? Just consistency or yeah? The day my bias is all over the place is the day I get the best setups on NQ. It's testing my discipline. I'm so sorry, OTT. Just testing, okay. Go have fun. How you doing? Long time no see. Are you doing great? I mean, theoretically, I can actually take this trade on the paper. Again, though, this feels like it should be above level, but let's see. Let's see what happens. It even respects this level and comes to grab it. Do you think this is just... Oh, please don't be going sideways today. I'd low-key get it with FOMC, but it'll be very frustrating. Stop being greedy. I mean, that helps, Tom. What, do you just have like a set R and now that's it? Go have fun. I'm good. Why did the loner buy stocks? It is nice to have a little bit of company. You know what, that's so good. Skeletor, that was really, really good. Respect. Respect. That was awesome. I'm conflicted because my brain is kind of going bob to bob level. Which would be a sell here. Not a buy. Hands off. Still testing things today. Let it do what it's gotta do. You were about to laugh. No. No, I wasn't. I was not gonna laugh at that joke. It was a good joke. Skeletor, I have mad respect for your jokes. The B setup for a sell. Might tap into this order block over here as well. One, two, what did I say? Bob to bob. This thing is going to be choppy today. It's just going bob, bob, bob. Let's see. I'm going to stop out here, but I mean, this is having absolutely zero flipping respect for VWAP today. Anyways. I need to fix my face. My WTF lines are getting too large. I take one trade a day with fixed and started differentiating when not to trade. And do you have like very strict rules for the trades that you can and cannot take, if that makes sense? What the? Okay then. Antonio? What up? You think this is going to Asia low? Big range chop, yeah. I agree with you on that one. I am not a fan of these type of days. That's a good thing. So again, this is on paper. Sorry guys, nothing's super duper exciting, but yeah. Like I said, I'm watching specific levels today as well. G-Map, what the? You wanna hear what I think? Go on, Hammer, what do you think? Okie, I see we're just getting more and more stucketh right now. Yes, I just did stucketh. Antonio, to be fair, it's just sideways right now. It's just a large range sideways market at the moment. ES looks like it's potentially pushing a little bit more for buys. Potentially. NQ's just sideways. I mean, this is not looking to watch I say that and just tanks just because I said that. I think they hack us and counter every move we make. I mean, Hammer, I wouldn't be surprised. I feel like someone is watching, a market maker is sitting here and watching and going, how can we irritate the most people? Can you imagine people did that? They sat and watched streams and watched the live traders and be like, okay, how can we be the most chaotic possible? Chop, chop, chop. Yep, go have fun. That's literally it. It is just sitting here being chop, chop, choppy. I see Asia low with the new daily opening cap. Previous day low is also below. There's a little bit of buy side liquidity below here at, where this at, 342. However, there is also London high further up. Who's the imposter? Hey, independent MD. What do you mean I'm still awake? So I'm in South Africa, my guy. It's only the afternoon. It's literally nearly 4 p.m. in the afternoon here in SA. Being an SA trader is bomb.com. Don't mean to brag. I just went to the bathroom and whoa, almost hit my stop loss. Oh my gosh, Soldier Boy, wait. I thought you were only taking one trade. I thought you hit TP already. I'm confused. Or did I not hit your TP earlier? I thought I'd hit your TP earlier, Soldier Boy. I'm confuzzled. all the confusions. It's going down. Yeah, okay. Down it went, just had to have some moments before. Oh, this poor account. I'm fuzzled, I'm stealing that! Stop it, prop firms alls. Can we leave it at the prop firm? I do not see that the actual market only live account always good for books and price payment you see. My TP all the way down to 29600. What? 29600? Bruh, do you expect that to hit today? Okay then. Not a paper trade, I'm being cheeky. Let's see what this does. Maybe thank you, P-Bot, for saying they had to run for the whole week. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Pre-market lows taken, might go to Asia low next. That's what I'm thinking. That's where I have this TP at least. I've not set a stop loss. Normally I set stop losses. I've not set a stop loss for this. I'm being a little bit chaotic. Yeah, you know, because I can. Oh, no, wait, actually, I mustn't make that just yet. Go fun getting. Oh, no, this is on paper, so yeah. I'm about to get comfy on paper. This, I'm testing out a bob-to-bob trade. Don't think it's gonna retest all the way back up there, but you never know. The first presented, there's the 930. Here we go. I need to go cook and I don't have easy chicken. You see, that's your problem, Hammer. You need to just go get easy chicken and make your life easy. I feel like them's the rules. Excuse me, sir, if you could not do that. Oh, okay. I'm being a problem. What's up, Amanda? How you doing? Is that an SA taker? No, 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 no. So easy chicken is like the one and only thing that I cook. Because it's easy. Like I said, I don't really cook. Antonio says lower 273 strong medic levels downside. I'm done trading for today. Good luck, fam. Cheers, Antonio. Enjoy. Surviving. I'm being a little risque with doing this, but let's see what happens. I better try on my stop loss. I haven't really seen any openings for myself so far. Looks like there's a lot of downcycling going on. A lot of the market run is full, which makes me feel bad for a lot of people. We have KFC here too, but it's not so nice in the last 10 years. I remember it way better in the past. It's really oily. I think that's the only problem with KFC nowadays. It's just a bit oily. Here it goes. Didn't come up high enough to tag in before dropping down. Good still. But I am watching it. There is also a previous day low at 273. Wait, that's what you said, hey? Who mentioned that? Antonio mentioned that. Yeah, 273. I mean, that does look good. It's what Bob is thinking of doing. Okay, let's see, Bob. Now, to be fair, that's similar-ish. Where my entry for short would be. So I'm watching a bunch of different things today. I have mentioned this like 5 times. I'm so sorry, guys. I'll stop mentioning it. Aw, thanks. This was just me wanting to do a bob-to-bob trade. I'm adding to the short here. So either this is gonna completely screw me, or it's gonna be great. To be determined. Let's see if this was a wise idea or not. This is my setup here. Entry over here. Stop loss up above. TP would actually then be down here. To be fair. A little bit like that. Let's see, it's starting with a decent rejection, but we need more. More energy, more energy, more passion, more passion. Lasagna. A big wombat scream. Oh, nice. Let me go quick before I go. Should I share another chart upsetting theory? Go on then, Hammer. Gotta work in 5. Oh my gosh, David, go to sleep then. Sure. Sleep is good. Sleep is necessary. What a beautiful trade. Okay, sticking with mitigate risk by half. Is that half? It's close enough to half. went down to midpoint, so mitigate risk by half. Now it's hands off until it takes partial. If it takes partial. Ew, no thanks. I don't want to gut any fish. Poor fish, they did absolutely nothing. That candle closes at low. Super good sign. Yeah. Not looking so good now, but it's still hands off. I'm still practicing. Hello. I mean, this is still on the paper. The first one was me being cheeky with a bit of a bob trade. I mean, the bob one would have taken me up. This here is actually my setup. Not great that it's retesting, but it's still hands off. I might have to enroll you into the Neo cycle, please. Please, I think it would do me some good. Just saying. And get some rest. Nah, you guys wouldn't know what to do without me. So break even. Soldier Boy, I'm trying not to. I'm trying not to. Trying not to. Because I used to be a little bit too hasty at moving to break even, and it has screwed me before. Oh, my answer. Look at the baby. The bestest baby is here. You guys have been blessed with the best, and it's Perry. Ooh, there we go. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, this looks like it's gonna be a loss, but I am learning quite a bit. I don't think Maya's the dancing time. She also doesn't do the heels. I really don't. Harry bite her. Oh, Soldier Boy, that's so rude. Harry would never bite me. He might lick me, and his breath stinks, but he'll not bite me. Good rejection off of that level. Let's see. This push isn't promising, but still gonna watch. That was a very big jump. Oh, okay, that's also a very big jump. Never mind. Perry is the goodiest boy. He really is. No denying that. Okay, so on the funded, that probably would have taken me out. Just saying. The shorts are trying. You can't deny that. The shorts are trying their best. The buyers are just not letting them have this. Let's see, maybe now. Who's gonna give up? Buyers or sellers? Oh no, Hammer, no, can you imagine? 7 more people at once? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? No thanks. Nothing about that situation sounds like fun. Entering at 30347. Still looks good for sellers. Sellers win today. They're trying. Can't deny that. I do think if it breaks above this, though, it's going up at least higher than I would like it to be, so the fact that it's moved there is fine. Wow, this is a very entertaining trade to be in. Anyways, is anyone else in a trade? Soldier Boy, I know you're in a sell. I know you're in a sell. Anyone else? Here we go. I think the buyers have come in now, guys. Every 21 I used to do wasn't with the stress. J-Mac, you're waiting for confirmation before entry. Yeah, here we go. The struggling was just too much. Straight into VWAP. Let's see if it rejects off of there. Wow. See how it reacts at these levels. Soldier Boy, sell, baby, sell. Oof. Going against you guys here, I'm so sorry. If this even comes back this far, I don't think it's gonna come back this far. It's doing the opposite of everything I've been keen on today. So this is probably not the best. Back down. I was trying to want to trade against the majority. Low key a little bit. I wouldn't quite call it a strategy, but this poor paper account is getting absolutely destroyed by me recently. Oh well. Let's see what this does here. 1 to 2 R. Ash, I told you to fall in love with the trade and do the opposite. TP hit Bitcoin. Hey! OTT? And anyone else that's in the green, whoop, whoop. Well done, guys. Do 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 do. Sorry, that's not gonna be stuck in my head. Oh, nice. The 1 hour feels scary though. Just for me, the 1 hour feels scary. But yeah, I think a 1 to 2 hour trade is respectable. I know some people say anything less than 1 to 3 is not great, but meh, depends on your win rate, I guess. You had to teach someone from scratch. You put them on the 1 hour, really? Oh, it would be diddling in the middle. Sorry, part of my brain is going, damn, this actually looks quite nice for an entry over here. Back down into VWAP and then back up. Might be messing around in this area here. What's up, Abraham? How you doing? I think I may hit break even. Bye, Hammer. Enjoy. Ah, you see, this is where limit orders are quite nice. Sorry, curiosity is getting the best of me. Ooh, that's actually not very good. Oh well. This for me, ironically, no, it tapped into the bob level. Never mind. I was gonna say ironically it is an A+ setup if it weren't for the fact that it tapped into the bob level first before coming back down. Let's cancel that one. Mitigate risk by half. Let's see what it does. Okay. In a lot of ways this was an A+ setup, but we're gonna still keep watching. Sorry guys, I'm kind of focused today. I know that's weird. I know for me to be focused is weird as heck. I didn't take the trade, but gold had a nice entry. Nice. There we go, J-Mac. Let me know how it goes. You don't have to tell me details. Just say yay or boo. Wow, that's close. Apparently. Close but no cigar. I know, Bob. To be fair, it's been doing it the whole time. Bob, 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 Bob. Just shy of being Bob Bob here. Pity. Then Bob Bob back up. I don't actually like that rejection off of that Bob's Bob, which is why I kind of want to move this to break even, but I'm trying not to. Trying to stick with my rules of not moving to break even so quickly, because it's actually moving to break even too quickly is damaging in the long run, especially if you're not taking partials before moving to break even. I feel like you're just messing up your potential profits. I know, obviously, there, move break even, because I would have taken there. Okay, there we go. There's TP. Cool. Okay, let's see if it messes around in this range here. Oh, good. Brief. Okay. We'll wait and watch and see how this goes. Anyways, how's everybody doing today? Apart from this rangy rubbish, are we all good? OTT, what's wrong? All good, I have to leave watching from your mobile. Oh, that's okay, Market Man. Appreciate you coming to watch. Here's a 1 second bias and 5 seconds. OTT, rubbish. Hey, some guy, what the fuck? How you doing? You know, I'm good. I can't complain. Today's a little bit on the choppier, you know, being a little bit of sad price action type of vibe, which is not ideal, but it is what it is. No, it is what it is, wow. Could be worse TMP with no photo. Oh yeah, some guy. I mean, I took an L during London today. Like you said, it is what it is. Thank you. Damn. What an absolute banger would have been. I know. Trust, I really, really know. Oh well. It's okay. I know, that's insane. Bob, that's actually insane. Do you feel low-key cool? Don't lie, you kinda feel cool about that, don't you? Rightfully so. Rightfully so. Just saying. Give me 1 second. Green, but not green enough. Head green is green. You know, I've had some days where I'm green by $2. I'm not gonna complain about that. Be right back. Oh my goodness, I see I did not miss much. Before we sound that. Just a little. Some good. I'll just have to New York open, but I'm sure it's taking a short again because the confirmations were there. Let's see if Meridian is maybe you inspired me. Okay. Anyways, let's watch and see what this does here. Walk with Alpha when I got home was real nice. I'm just gonna sit and watch and wait. I guess here's 10:30. You already know it has 30 more minutes to give me something good. If it's gonna be rubbish, it's got 15. But let's see, maybe 30 more minutes. This is looking like sad price action though. Literally, took liquidity, took liquidity, took liquidity, now went back up and took liquidity. So it is just being sad. It is being sad. So that's not great, but I guess it is what it is. What am I doing? Clicking things I'm not supposed to be clicking. I'm clicking everywhere. Likely people wait for it. Market gonna be a yawn fest for the afternoon. It does make sense, some guy. Does make lots of sense. I'm curious about something. That's my paper account. I was about to be like, wait a second, I just took a sell. And I'm being a chop because maybe a bad idea to do that. I'm trying something. This may be a bad idea, but I'm trying something. If this actually closes nicely, I might take this on my funded. I'm preparing. Ah. Oh, what did I do? There we go. I thought I moved something. Okay, if it taps into VWAP, it's no longer valid. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh! Okay, I did like that. Okay, let's see if it's gonna be a day of 2 losses. If it takes out VWAP, it's no longer valid. Ah, no! Oh, if it had gone a little bit higher. If it had just gone a little bit higher, that would have been a banger trade. That had just retested. Pity. Pity, pity, pity. Oh well, correct idea, just didn't come back up to get me. Yeah, now I don't like where the stop loss is. Oh well, back onto paper. That would have been a really nice trade if it had come back to to tag me in, but alas, it did not. Curiosity's sake, how big is this? $2.3. Okay. I'm gonna leave this alone. Stay hands off. I know, Bob, I know. Can't say I didn't try. I very much tried to get in on this one. Oh well. Physical work, so work also seeing Jackson somewhere. Good J was full somebody has enough will walk out even if you just started. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Sorry, I'm trying to be better at not being greedy. And moving to break even too soon. The break even too soon has definitely got me before. So many times, and I am realizing that it's not worth it. It's just not worth it. I think if it taps into the Bob level, essentially if it takes this out here, I'll then move it to break even. Can't wait to take this huge payout. I can stop being a pimp finally. Stop or start. Anyways, just kidding. Oh, I guess, never mind. Never mind, what you said makes sense. I'm just being a chop. Freedom for now, no response, no stress for mates. Oh, there would have been the entry for this potential short down. Let's see what it does. So this is the short. Oh, I'm gonna mess with things if I move that, but this was the short I was keen on. Just pick your stop loss at the 0.2 level. Wait, let me do that. This is basically, oh, the short I was keen on. Watch it now work out beautifully. Of course, it's like a chef's kiss trade. I did a valid reason with the VWAP though, so it's fine. It's not like I was being a silly goose about it. Just disappointing. Okay, now it's break even time. Actually, I could just put it at the top of this. That would have been a really nice trade. Did have logical reason for not taking it, so that's fine. Oopsies, what did I do? Honk indeed. Oh, it's just so close and it just took out this. Not fully rehab cards, not really worth trading for sure. Okay, so still not ideal there. Still gonna watch and wait and see how this reacts. I mean, this was down a decent amount. There's a bit of a pity about that, but it's okay. It's okay. We just continue. I didn't even realize I had that open. Anyways, moving on. That would have been bad. Well, would it? It's on paper. It makes absolutely zero difference in my life, but still. Okay, it did now reach that level. How big would this be? So I was just having a quick look there. Okay, now don't be greedy. And leave it alone. Like, I am tempted to move it down, but don't be greedy. Leave it alone. Trailing the stop loss actually sometimes screws you in the long run. Okay, let's see if this is gonna go bob to bob again. If it does, oh my goodness. I mean, this is now at break even, so it's fine. Okay, rejecting off of that bob level quite properly. So Brian, what's up? How you doing? Sorry, I'm having like a big fat chat with myself over here. I apologize. If I was greedy, I would actually move TP to Asia low. But let's not be greedy. I'm trying to find a genuine good non-greedy strategy over here. Yep. Sorry, that would have probably been TP on another one. Definitely would have been TP on the funded. Come on. Oh, the spreads on paper. There we go. Cool. That was an awesome trade right there. And this is a genuine thing that I'm trying to figure out. I want to be able to try and take that type of trade on my funded. Oh, this blue line here. See, I have two blue lines. So this was the original blue line. So the bob, do you see these gray shaded areas? Ash, these are the bob levels. Bob is one of these awesome community members, and these are some secret source levels. I can't tell you exact details because, well, I don't know the exact details. But the bob to bob levels are pretty good. It's essentially, correct me if I'm wrong, Bob, but like institutional levels. Aw, thanks. It's pity it was on paper, but it's still, you know, learning. With every trade, be it paper or live, you're still learning. Curiosity. Can call this pure curiosity. I already see this as a 1 to 2R type of situation. Maybe this is not being a bit greedy, but we're testing things. Might reject off of this VWAP level. The more confident I start to get in this, the better. But you gotta mess around and make mistakes first before getting confident. Thanks, Bob. Okay, a little stuck at VWAP there. Damn, it did take out the lows on ES. So this is proper seek and destroy price action today. Thanks, Deb. Well, let's see. I'm watching how it's reacting at certain levels. So I'm testing to see if I take trades when I get specific. Like, what are the confirmations I'm looking for, basically. It is the fun in thought testing. You do start to figure out some things. I did say VWAP was going to be a little bit of a questionable area. Either it breaks now and it's gonna go down, or it respects and rejects, and then I think the buyers are good to go. Let's see how this closes. We have 23 seconds left. I think, yes, you can destroy, but look at the runs we have had so far. Or was that just me? I don't know, Debbie. I guess it depends on how you trade. 2-1. Okay, so it did reject. There was a decent wick rejection, but it did close bearish. So let's see if it starts to push after this rejection over here. Yeah, there's that push on ES. Ooh, okay, buyers have come in on ES, not so much on NQ yet. Dagnabbit. Not a nice trade. Also would have been like, ooh, this is A+ if the entry was a little bit better. Nope, okay, now it's definitely not A+. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Closed on VWAP, but did not close above VWAP. Rejection off of that order block. Rejection over that order block. Oh, hello. Okay, then. Okay, I should be out of this. Cam paper. Okay, there we go. I was about to be like, excuse me? Excuse me. Yeah, bitty damping. Yep, bitty. Okay, here we go. 47. Oh, that was rude. That took out more than it should have. Yeah, price just dumped properly. So to be fair, microwave it is because I am on paper. It wouldn't have done that on the funded. What's up, OTT? Bob's Bob. Okay, so officially now took out Asia low. Tapped into the new daily opening gap as well, so we can expect a potential rejection here. That dumped solidly. Wow. That dumped solidly. That was something. But it took me a while to wrap my head around how it was moving. I figured it out at the reverse mojo on ES. Oh, interesting. Okay, are you guys ready for butterfly of the day? TP the short on the dump and stop loss break even. Let's see now. Looks like it retraced. Did it? Yeah. There's a 50% retracement. Let's see what it does. I'm not gonna take this now. I'm gonna give myself a itty bitty little break. I say break, kind of break. I'm not really. I've had enough bugs for one day. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry about that. That's rough. That's rough. Anyways, a little break from the charts. Let's do butterfly of the day. Ta-da! I just thought he was cool. And look, he has see-through wings. The tips are see-through and he has little red, it's called red eyes. Melodious Parnassian butterfly. Yes. This is a butterfly of the day. Just because I think he's cool. No other reason. Let's now go to, what am I doing? Good. Let's find out some information on him. Let's see if this is a nice website to go on. There we go, it is. This is a decent one. Here you can see some pictures of him. Very cool. Wingspan of 50 to 62 millimeters. Flight is one flight in June, July. Anyways, adult fruit is flower nectar. Habitat is open woods, alpine areas, meadows, and rock outcrops. Range is Western Canada and Western United States. Conservation, subspecies Strobini from California's Santa Cruz Mountains is extinct. Huh. Okay, so that's not good. All of these are from 2025. Have there been like no recent, I guess, but it's only now that they theoretically should be out, hey? But, ooh, my bad. Where'd he go? There he is. You can see, I'm used to the charts. You can see where he's from. Ta-da! Anyways, that's our little butterfly of the day. Look at him, he's cool. Oh my gosh, he's so fluffy. Okay, sorry. Okay, that's our butterfly of the day. Back to the little chitty charts. Yep, see, that would have been a lot. Oh, the market's always this volatile. So Amanda, yeah. Yes. This is actually quite choppy for New York. So it's not ideal price action today, but it's okay. What did you do? Crypto King? I think you do. Not even clean. You know what I find funny? There's actually people out there hunting to find sightings of these butterflies. Yes. Good decision made. Stopped out at break-even for the day between the small win and the L earlier. Well done, some guy. That's really good. Break-even for the day is not a bad thing. Amanda, welcome to New York. FOMC is 2 p.m. Eastern time. Yeah, so it's gonna be a little bit crazy. So I might be... I'll then call it. I'll wait to see how the 11 a.m. open goes, but then I might call it at 11 a.m. Because I think it's going to just start chilling out more and more now. Potentially more and more sideways. I could be wrong. Watch it now start to move beautifully. Just because I said that. I was like 3 points from being stopped out. Oh my gosh, OTT. At least you weren't, damn. Union validation with the right place. Good job. Amanda, so normally I don't really trade those times. Sometimes yes, other times no. Sometimes the PM session is crazier. In general, New York time is just more volatile. Just, yeah, full stop. New York is the most volatile session. And the points per candle tend to be larger. Again, volatility and volume. All the fun stuff tends to happen during New York. That's why a lot of people prefer trading New York session. Things happen a lot quicker with more points. But that being said, this is not exactly a typical New York day. This is because there's news happening later. This is actually quite choppy for New York. In my opinion, you guys correct me if I'm wrong. Why are you struggling? What makes you say I'm struggling? My props me stopped there, but it's okay being up 1 hour. I think it's gonna sell off hard to people because I'm gonna have to close my shorts before FOMC. Oh no! I plan on attending London session. How's that compared to New York? A little bit slow and obviously not as volatile, but London has its days. There were moments where I preferred London over New York. Just because it had decent moves, but it wasn't as quick and it wasn't as crazy. But recently London's kind of also just been going a little bit sideways. It's so hard to tell you how it is. I mean, some days are amazing, other days not so much. I'm sitting on my hands today, not giving me my Doja account? Smart. That's all I'm saying. Smart. Only New York overlap with London is most volatile. As soon as London ends, New York calms down and tends to have a reversal then or continuation. And that's at 11:30 EST, right, Deb? Or 11? No, it's 11:30 EST. Unfortunately not, Dota. Oh, there would have been one banger. it hit my point of interest. So it would have been one bang. I had a loss, unfortunately, during London. It happens. Unlucky for me, I guess. Not an ideal day. And I'm checking out something new. I'm watching for something new. So let's see. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, but on that note, good fellow traders, on that note, I'm probably gonna then call it a day. It's gonna probably start calming down, and I don't know if much is gonna happen until FOMC. So I did my little bit of forward testing today. I'm not gonna tell you what it is exactly that I'm looking at until later, but I did my little bit of forward testing. Not bad. Not bad. Now I just have to see if I can keep getting it consecutively for a few days and see how it goes. Guess that's all you can do at forward testing, hey? And then if it starts to go really well, I can start applying it to the funded. Winning! Oh, okay, Debbie, makes sense. Okay, but then on that note, guys, trade safe, be good. Yeah, that's about it. Don't forget to press the like button. I will be back tomorrow, London and New York session. Let's see if we get any good trades. Let's see. Okay, but I love you guys madly. Trade safe. See you all on the flip flop.